Day 3 of chicken processing, and look what I'm putting in my jars, or in my pressure cooker. I've got 5 jars of all chicken feet. I'm gonna make chicken broth. It makes really good chicken broth with cartilage, and we're gonna go from there. I am gonna add salt and add lids and rings, and it's gonna process for 75 minutes. We'll be right back. Okay. Jars are done. Okay. I kind of want to gag. Not sure if this is a good idea or not, but I'm not sure if I even want to taste these. What do you guys think? Would you eat these? You tell me.